Hi y'all, this is Smurmy here. I had been looking around and I've been noticing some people have been curious about a specific WorldEdit tool, and some people are very versed in this, probably even more so than me. But if you ever wanted to use WorldEdit to, let's say, take this house right here, and you wanted to copy and paste it into an entirely different world, here, actually, let's find something and I will show you how to use, it's called the Schem tool or schematic tool in Minecraft WorldEdit. So, let's find something a little, let's say this sign right here, the Gray City sign. Okay, so let's just grab a block here, okay? I'll make sure I get the full thing. So, a couple things I will note, and I will put this on the screen when I'm doing my editing, is that there's a couple tools I like to use when it comes to helping with copy and paste. Number one is this, what you're seeing right here is a plugin that is actually built into the launcher that I am using, but it is a separate mod that you add to your computer, not to your server. There are server mods. I've never gotten so much success out of them, but this is called WorldEdit CUI. The tool is extremely useful in seeing the actual outline of what you're actually trying to select with WorldEdit. A couple other things as far as selection is you type // SCL or selection. It could even just be selection. Oh no, I guess it doesn't work like that. Don't listen to me. And then you got all these different, so if you did ellipsoid, and you can see the WorldEdit CUI actually will change the region. And the normal is a cuboid, but if you go to, like, let's say the convex, right, then you'll just see the general points. But honestly, a lot of this is just general, what do you call it, geometry. So if you wanted to just say a 2D poly selection, that would be that. So that's a cool thing. A cool thing also about the actual poly selection is that, say if you wanted to just copy and paste this road and nothing else, you could go all the way here and then here. Let's say you wanted to, or sorry, I guess it's not a road, it's a sidewalk, but still. Then you could just literally just copy and then paste right above it. So, oh, yeah, I actually, I was too high. Here, I'll paste it up here. There we go. So yeah, that's a cool little thing. You can see it actually got the actual dimensions. I'll go ahead and undo that. Alright, now that you know about the selectors and stuff like that, let's say we wanted to take one of these trees. This is a single player world now. Let's say we wanted to take this tree. So what this is a world that just has a bunch of different tree designs. It's by MineDesigns on Planet Minecraft. I'm not sure if they want to be tagged in this video. If they do see it and they say, hey, tag me, I would gladly do that, because I am actually showing off something that they did that they were allowing people to utilize. So I will definitely put a link to this particular world in the description of this video. But this is, let's say we wanted to take one of these trees, right? So let's say this one right here. It's nice on the corner. So let's say we have our little wand here, right? So let's say we wanted to take this and add it into a different single player world, right? Because you cannot actually load schems or schematics from a single player world to a multiplayer world. So as far as I know, I mean, I could be mistaken about that, though, I will admit. So let's just go ahead and save this. So first, you always want to copy whatever it is that you're selecting, and you want to save to a schematic, right? So / copy, then /SCHEM, and then let's call it test1. Alright, I think what might have happened there is there's already a... Oh, sorry. Okay, I see what I did wrong. So you want to set save, and then you want to do test1. There we go. Sorry, I made a little bit of a mistake there. That's okay, it happens. Alright, now we have test1 saved, and it's just whatever's in this selection and the CUI WorldEdit plugin, right? Now we're going to go to a different world altogether. Let's just say we're going to this one, right? Now, let's say I wanted to load one of the trees, like, back here to give it, like, a little bit of a, like, a tree background sort of thing. So we want to do /schem load, and then write it exactly as it's seen, as you saved it in the other world. And there you go, and then you hit /paste, and then yep, there it is. There you go. That's the, and then we got this nice little tree, stands way above, looks like the sorting hat from Harry Potter. So there you go, and that's kind of how the Schem command works. There's obviously a lot more to that. Like you could save it to an entire like game type, like sponge, or even I guess purpur, whatever. I don't know the different types, honestly. But there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know. But there you guys are. Awesome.